Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be creating a lovely cat card. We've got two of the Brushos. So we've got Prussian blue and we've got orange. That's a really nice combination. For the background on the gel press, we're going to be using Graphite from our Elements range. And the stamps we're going to be using are Mooch, Mimsy, Wildflower, Fairy Spells. We're going to be using this stamp from the Twisted Vine set and this one here from our Foliage set. Okay guys, let's get started. We're going to use the Graphite with our brayer, so I'm just going to ink up, taking a little bit off. As you can see, it's quite a juicy ink pad, so I don't want too much ink on the background. I don't want it to be too dark. So blend that on, and then using our fan brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of colour. We've got orange. Just take that initial ink off and then just tiny little dots. Just cover the gel press. And then we're going to use the Prussian blue. Now these two colours do go together really nicely. So that's Prussian blue and orange. And then I've got some multifarious card here. This is the cream, and I'm going to pop that over the top. Give that a smooth over. And let's see what we've got. Wow. It's just a real sort of vintage colour, especially with the cream card. I do like that combination. And now we're going to ink up our cats. So we've got the Nocturne. Make sure that he is completely covered. And then we're going to pop him down around about there, just at the end. Give that a good press. Oh, we've got a little spot there. Okay, if that happens, all you need to do is pick up the black. I've got the very end of the smoothie here, and we just cover it like that. If that does happen, try and use the same ink that you've stamped with, only because there's lots of different shades of black out there. I know that's hard to believe, but you always notice if you use a different black to touch up. Try and use the same ink. Okay. And now we're going to ink up our other cat. And we'll pop him along down by the side. And let's give that a good press again. There we go. So I've got my hill mask here, and I'm going to go that way. And then taking our stencil brush, and this time I'm going to use Twilight. And all I'm doing is just flicking the ink up. This just gives a little bit of depth down at the bottom. So now we're going to use some foliage all around them so they look like they're sitting in a garden, just watching the world go by, as cats do. Have we got any cat fans out there? Or are you both cats and dogs, or just dogs perhaps? We have both. But we always started with cats. We always had about 5. We ended up with about 5 of them. Now, sadly, we're down to just 2. But I do love cats. Okay, so I'm inking up in Twilight now. I think I'm going to stamp off first. I don't want that to be too overpowering. There we go. And let's use another little foliage stamp here that we've got. And this time I'm going to ink up in the Warm Breeze. So I'm sticking to the colours that I've used in the background. And then my other little stamp that I do love, I tend to use it for a lot of things. And this time I'm inking up in the, what's this one? It's Summertime. Let's get that the right way around. And again, that's just complementing the colours that we've used today, which is a lovely orange. And then lastly, we've got some nice words, and I'm going to ink these up in Warm Breeze. And then going back to the Twilight, inking up our stencil brush. I'm going to bring that around the card just to frame it and pull your eye into the centre. There we go. Okay, so lastly I'm going to use one of our Posca pens, and I'm just going to dot a little bit of magic. And we've got our quickie glue pen. And let's go with the Christmas tinsel. That's probably as close as I can get to the orange. So again, I'm going to just dot just a little bit of glue. Don't want too much. And there we have our finished card. And you can see that lovely glitter there at the bottom. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.